Hey everybody, welcome to 52 Weeks. And if you are interested to have your own faceless YouTube channel, then you are in the right place. In today's video, we're gonna learn first how to create scripts in less than 10 minutes. Second, how to extract transcripts from existing YouTube videos. What you don't learn in this video is that how to turn your articles into a video. B, how to turn your scripts into an audio. So basically, to have your own successful YouTube channel, there are three steps that you have to do. A, write scripts. B, create videos around those scripts. And C, you have to bring in voiceover. Once all these three things are done, your video is good to go. These skills are not just limited to run your own YouTube faceless channel, but also get done with your college project works. So let's see how and which software I'm going to use today to create my scripts in less than 10 minutes. The moment you enter Copy.ai in your URL, this is where you land in. To use this software, you have to create an account using any of your email IDs. I already have an account here, so I'm just going to log in. I have shared the link in the description box for this tool, and the moment you log in, this is where you land in. Now that you already know the name of the software, I know you can easily bounce off, but I would suggest you to stick around for a couple of more minutes so that you exactly know how to use this software. So on the left side, as you can see, there are a lot of options that you can use this tool to create content for your website, your blogs, your emails, your social media content. So you don't have to spend a lot of time figure out how to create content if you know how to use this software. I have already created videos on how to create a website copy, how to write your email letters, and how to write a social media tool. So I'm gonna write a blog in front of you, and trust me, you're gonna be amazed at how effective and how powerful this tool is. Let's start with the blog right away. So in next 5 minutes, you will see that how I create a blog in less than 5 minutes. So the time starts now. So what I have to do, I have to go bullet points to blog sections. I'm gonna go here, and here it will ask me what is the title of your blog. I'm gonna write how to make money online. So this is the project title we're going ahead with, and the moment I enter here, I'm gonna write again how to make money online, and it will ask me to enter the keywords that I want my blog to have. This is very important. You just have to write the relevant keywords that you want to write a blog. I'm gonna put in become a content writer, sell digital products, sell online courses, test applications before they're released. So I've already created videos on each of these topics, that how you can become a content writer, how you can sell digital products, quote unquote affiliate marketing, and how you can make money just through testing applications before they are released. So there are a lot of ways that you can make money. I have shared the link in the description box. If you're interested to explore these areas, you can obviously go ahead and see those videos to learn how that is done. So I'm choosing the tone witty, and I'm just gonna press create copy. And in next 3 or 5 seconds, you will see that this tool is giving me a lot of content which I can just copy and go ahead. So as you can see, I've just put in these keywords, and the moment I press create copy, this is what it gives me. All I have to do is copy it and post it on the blog which I'm writing on the right side, and my blog is good to go. If I want more content, all I have to do is click here on make more content, and automatically it will provide me more content. If I want to expand any specific things, like this is for creating more content, and trust me, all of this content is very SEO friendly. You can easily get your blog ranked very quickly on Google if you use this content. And before you jump off this video, it's very important to know how to write a perfect blog. So all your titles has to be H1, and the sections which you are creating, which you are expanding, needs to be H2. So this helps Google to understand and pick the relevant keywords if somebody searches for those keywords. I know this tool might sound a little confusing at the beginning, but once you get the hang of it, it's very easy for you to constantly create content for your LinkedIn, for your Twitter, for your blogs, etc. etc. If you like this video, I would suggest you to please like, comment something on this video which you learn from it, and subscribe to our channel, because what we do at 52 weeks is reveal the secrets that all the top-notch content creators are using to create their content. Thank you